10 rounds, 10 targets, 1 hit each to neutralize.
7. Was it 3 in the pistol?
3 in the pistol, 7 in the rifle.
You guys can't do any freaking Pennsylvania accents.
Fully loaded on the
Yes, sir.
I'll find out.
Okay. Hands start on the table. Shooter ready. Stand by. Okay, shooter finish course fire. Unload, show clear rifle.
Yeah. Is it the large target or pistol? Whatever one you want. Oh. I did not know that. I thought it was a pistol. Most people try to shoot the large ones with a pistol.
Yeah, I need at least 2, 3 more people going down to tape. Okay, make sure to take a look at the no shoots on your way down.
What's this here?
That's a no shoot. There shouldn't be a bullet hole in there. Carry on. And up that way is permanent on. Make sense?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. 3 rounds. You're hot. Okay, load McCarty rifle.
3 and then we start shooting the little one and then right. 2 no shoots.
Shooter ready. Stand by.
Okay, but I ended up hitting one.
Oh, that's why.
3271. Shooter finish course of fire. Unload, show clear. Flags in. Bag it up, please.
Figure out what the button is. All right. Shooter, are you ready? Yes. Stand by. Load. That's the same thing. Although my toes are kind of cold. Shooter, are you ready? Stand by.
I don't know. I videotaped, so I wasn't really.
It means you turned it off and on.
Light has all those functions.
I'm trying to look for a headlight here.
Got a flag in it. So.
Time 1736.
1736.
Tape came off. 5, 6, 7, 8.
What's that one right there? Is there a hole in it?
Yep.
Okay.
You see this one here?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're all good, I think.
Okay, they're all home.
Good man, Robert.
Is it clean? Yeah. 10 points.
I just been alternating this box and that box.
Okay.
Jacketed lead.
All clean.
All clean, 10 points. Who's my next victim?
So don't hit the strobe light on the block.
So you have this blonde who's flying with a private pilot in a small plane, and the guy dies.
1 minute. 9 points total.
And the guy dies, so she doesn't know what to do. She calls the
Oh,
tower.
too much for you?
I was doing okay.
All right.
Got 9 points.
9 points total.
She calls the tower and said, "Help, help, help, help." The tower says, "What?" She says, "My pilot died. I can't fly." He says, "Don't worry about it. We've done this." So what's your height?
Come on back, please.
And what's your position? She says, "I'm 5'2" and in the front seat. He says, repeat after me. Our Father who art in heaven.
Dude, I swear this light is brighter than Jake's rifle light. I'm sorry.
All right, going hot. You familiar with the light?
Yeah, somebody turned off the laser though.
Yeah, I did that accidentally.
All right, hands on the table in front of the pistol case. Yeah. Shooter, are you ready?
Yes.
Stand by. Oops, sorry. Woo!
Disco mat. That is awesome. I love that light.
Okay, finished. Time is 21:53.
2163.
2153.
2153.
All right.
All right.
All right, hands on the table right here. Or on the case or whatever. Shooter, are you ready?
Ready?
Stand by.
I don't know what the total score was. The paper, I got 4 5s and 1 3.
I wasn't ready for.
Yep. Push back up with the thumb. There you go. Set it back in the case. Good.
Yeah, it's 5. Okay, you're right. 28. There's gonna be a lot of high scores over there, though.
I don't know. First white. No, to the left. To the left. There you go. To the left of the target. Oh, really? All right, unload so clear. Okay, bag it. All right, catch your eyes. Huh? Now, would you light the pistol?
Not really, but I'm assuming it's the tilting lever, right?
Yeah, tilting lever up on the left side.
I need to go up on the left side. Okay.
All right, go ahead, uncase your weapon, load my crate. Go ahead. Works better if the handle's out of the way.
Fully loaded?
Fully loaded. Well, with 7 rounds.
Yeah.
Ooh, translucent case.
Of course.
Makes you shoot faster, doesn't it?
Super
All right,
fast.
hands on the table in front of the pistol case. Shooter, are you ready? Stand by.
Oh, yeah.
Can you engage with your pistol? Did you go to the big ones or did you hit the first couple? Big ones.
2406.
2406.
Alright, so those are no shoes right there?
Yes, positions are.
And then the pistol target is the big one in the back?
If it's white, it's all right. If it's brown, shoot it down.
Go, just go set that there.
So
You
which
can shoot anything you want with the pistol.
you can.
shoot the other 7 with your rifle.
Okay, hands on the table.
This will double up.
Lift this up.
Because you only have 10 rounds.
No, I gotta touch the table, dude.
Barry.
Shooter, are you ready?
And me.
You pull it back?
Stand by.
Like after a bunch
It's
of
like, what, release all the way?
Yeah, you got time for a second.
It's just a slightest little tiny bang. Like,
Time 1783.
sweet. That's easy.
Barry, he doesn't miss much.
Have we signed up yet?
Sign up over here.
Rage is safe. Let's score.